Hey. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create something super cute, super magical and little bit mandala. Beautiful panda made with mandala patterns using only a black pen. Yes, no colors, no stress and just black pen, pure creativity. And guess what? This panda is not just cute, it has a very special story hidden inside its pattern. So let's start. So guys, this is the story of a little panda who lived alone in a quiet bamboo forest. He always felt different because his world had no colors, only black and white. He thought his life was simple and ordinary. One day he discovered that every moment of his life created beautiful patterns, like mandala design. His struggles made strong lines, his happy moments made beautiful curves, his patience created perfect balance. The panda realized something important even without colors. His life was still a masterpiece, and just like this panda, our simple black pen lines can create something beautiful and meaningful. So every pattern we draw today is a reminder simplicity can be powerful. Okay guys? And tada! Our adorable mandala panda is ready. See, just a black pen, simple patterns, and lots of love can create pure magic. If this cute panda made you smile, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. Keep drawing, keep relaxing, and remember, even simple lines can create extraordinary beauty. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay creative and keep spreading art happiness. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.